Well, look at our red velvet cookies made out of cake mix. Who knew? So nice and soft and delicious. My name is Chef Fran, and we're making red velvet cookies. It's holiday season, Christmas, and so why not have red velvet Christmas cookies? So to make our red velvet Christmas cookies, we need some vegetable oil, some red velvet cake mix, some eggs, some chocolate morsels, as well as some white chocolate morsels, some powdered sugar, and some pure vanilla extract and Cool Whip. Yeah, Cool Whip, right? Since you were a kid, maybe that's when you ate Cool Whip, but we got Cool Whip in this recipe. So let's get ready to make our red velvet Christmas cookies. So we added our cake mix, our eggs, just really the instructions in the back of the box. The only thing is that I omitted the water because I'm going to be using Cool Whip. So there is here the eggs and the oil and the cake mix. And we're just going to kind of just let that go on for like 2 minutes. And then we're going to fold in our Cool Whip. And then we're going to add our chocolates. And then roll it in powdered sugar and put it on our tray on 350 for 15 minutes to cook. Okay, so we are adding our Cool Whip here. Gonna mix it in here, all of our Cool Whip. And then we'll add our chips. So our red velvet is becoming light pink because of the white from the Cool Whip. Okay, and then we will then put in our chips, the white and the semi-sweet. I want to make sure that everything is fully incorporated here. That means coming from the bottom and on over. And this is back to it being a little white here, but red overall. And let me get some chips here. And we're going to put some of the other one, semi-sweet. We've done some white. So now it's time to scoop. Roll it in our powdered sugar before we put it on our sheet tray. Okay. Here are red velvet cookies. I have a set that's in the oven, and so they have some powdered sugar on them to keep them from being wet and sticky as they are now. And I look forward to enjoying these. It's been a while since I made them, but I think you'll enjoy them. And so I'm putting them in the oven on 350 for 15 minutes, and come back and eat some with me. Red Velvet Cake Mix has vitamin A, calcium, potassium. Eggs has vitamins A, B2, B5, B6, B12, E, D, K, and iron. Vegetable oil, A, D, E, and K. Vanilla extract, B1, B2, B3, B5, B6. Chocolate chips, B6, B12, niacin, riboflavin, and thiamine. White chocolate chip, B12, calcium, potassium, riboflavin. And powdered sugar, A, C, D, calcium, iron, and potassium. And Cool Whip. Real facts. 53% of seniors who are food insecure are more likely to have a heart attack. 40% are also more likely to have a heart failure as well. You can learn more by visiting us at jdhcdc.org. Well, look at our cookies. Let's taste our cookies. It's so soft because it's from a cake mix, right? Who knew making cookies out of cake mix, right? Would taste so good. So it's nice and soft, like for a cake. And the white chocolate and dark chocolate addition to this, super good. Oh, look how nice and cakey and soft that looks. Like, look at that. I'm squeezing it. Look at that cake soft texture that you see here. Let me break it apart some more so you can see it. Look at that. So delish. So here's our call to action. So good. Don't forget to click the like button by giving us a virtual hug. When you do that, that lets myself and my team know that you're enjoying the content we're putting out for you. And we just want to continue creating different things that's enjoyable. So if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe. And comment below if you've ever made cookies out of cake as well, cake mix, because we do answer the comments. And share this channel with your family and friends. They will enjoy it. And thank you for hanging out with us today. Eating this cookie with me virtually while I ate it physically, but you too can eat this cookie physically too. If you do it, you could try another cake mix. If you don't like red velvet, try chocolate. Try the yellow. Thank you again for your time. I really appreciate you hanging out. Love you guys. Bye.